Today we're going to talk about collections in multi-threading. Collections is a framework which allows user to store in data and manipulate it. And in this scenario, we have built a personal management record system which allows user to add, fetch, or delete record accordingly. And whichever option she chooses, the function is called. Now this is my class, main class, which performs all the function. Herein we have declared hash map, and we're using array list as a value inside hash map. The key here is big integer, which corresponds to the SSN. So whenever user selects an option to add a record, he needs to enter the SSN and details followed like name, contact number, and address. Once those are added, user gets an option to select to display those or delete those. So here's an output. If user tries to add a record, he enters SSN name, contact number, and address. Once the details are successfully added, now if he chooses to fetch a record, he needs to use the same SSN over here, and the records will be displayed, and the same goes for delete. Now let's move to multi-threading. Multi-threading is a process by which threads can be executed concurrently. In this program, two users are trying to add or remove the items from the cart for the same account. So here we have initialized two objects of thread class, and the thread is being executed for both of the objects. It will invoke the run method, and for the first, user 1 and user 2 are trying to remove one item from the cart, and then they are trying to add two items. So once the functions are invoked, herein the items will be returned after removing and adding. Please note we have used synchronize so that the changes are reflected in the synchronized for the both of the users. So here is an output when in user 1 and user 2 is trying to remove the items, with the total items at the end of the day for the both the users remains 8. That is 1 for both of them has been removed, and the same goes for the added items. Thank you.